Are we gonna make a channel for you? I think we should try tonight. If you want to do a channel, you should start to set it up so we can start getting some views. How to remove a back seat on a 1971 Dodge Charger. But it's really how to remove a back seat on pretty much any Mopar from the 60s and 70s. The bottom one is just in like a clip, like a hook. So it kind of snakes in there like this. So when you sit on it, it's hitting this so it can't come out. So what you have to do is you have to push the seat back, lift it up, and then pull it out, and then it's free. All right? Push real hard. Boom. On one side, push with your knee in and then up. 71 and later are harder than the earlier ones. See, I'm putting my foot across this brace here so I can hook my foot there, and I'm putting my knee right here, pushing. Got it.
Got a screwdriver.
Oh, nice. Oh, you got a. This is cool too. This hook. This piece is broken though. This would hang up here somewhere, and you can hang your nice shirt on it. You're going on a date, so you don't wrinkle up your shirt, and then you pull it off, put it on when you go into the club or whatever. All right, you can pull it forward. Or right there, comes in to this hook like that, basically like that, and then forward, and that's how it stays in place. It won't lift up, it won't go forward, can't go back, and it's kind of like spring loaded. So the only way to get it off, push really hard like this, back, lift up, and then pull forward. A comb and some locks. I see a coin. What year?
1980.
1980. So this car was rolling around after 1980. Otherwise, there's no way it could have gotten in there. Oh, I see another cone. Crayon. Kids. Somebody had kids.
Trash there.
Yeah.
Gum wrapper. Locks locked together.
Those look like old school locks. Let me see.
Made in U.S.
Back when they made stuff in the US of A. Amazing. It's actually a really cool looking lock.
A nut
Master.
with mold on it.
Yeah, throw that out. And a Yale. This Master's lock looks really cool. Yeah, made in USA.
Sweet tarts.
What? That doesn't look very old. What's that yellow thing over there? Is that M&M's? That's M&M's. Oh wow. That is an old school wrapper. Peanut chocolate candy.
Found a giveaway for groceries.
Oh really? Nice. It looks like there's a piece of book back here or something.
Free parking.
Disneyland. Home Furnishings representatives. Free parking tickets for Disneyland? Huh. This one's the most intact, huh?
I think this one is.
That one is? It looks like a mouse is chewing on the corner of it. Good, only February 22nd, take your guess.
83.
1975.
1.
This car was 4 years old or so. Sponsored by Home Furnishings representatives. That's kind of cool. That's probably worth saving. The locks, Disneyland things. Now to pull the back seat out, that was like some, like a V8 or some, I think even some sodas were like that. Yeah, you would just go drink from it. You want to go get the channel locks And you want to bend this tab, and then the seat can slide out on the bottom. And then when you pull the seat out, then you're going to lift it up and then off. Oh, here's a piece of the original carpet. Oh, I think it came out the seat. So it's like a dark blue. Yep. There you go. That's good. Now pull the bottom of the seat towards you.